Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like my video, also comment down below and share with your friends. Now let's get into this video. As you can see by the title, this video is about cheating on your keto diet. You can cheat on a diet, but it sets you back a lot, just like any diet. If you were to cheat on the keto diet, there are two things that I think you should ask yourself first. Number one, will this affect your weight loss? Number two, is this the diet you want to continue with? After asking yourself those two things, decide if you want to cheat or not. I know it sounds crazy, but if you are going to cheat, if you have cravings, do not cheat right away. Plan your cheats. It sounds crazy to do so, but it works. It will set you back less if you plan your cheat. If you do not plan and you cheat, you might end up binging. Binge eating, I don't know if everyone falls into that, but I have, and you don't want to be in that situation where you end up binging and eating your food plus some more food. It will definitely set your weight loss goals back. So if you do decide you are going to cheat in keto or any other diet, always ask yourself those questions. And after you ask yourself those questions, decide if you're gonna cheat or not. And if you do cheat, have a cheat meal, not a cheat day. I know a lot of people end up having a cheat day or want to do a cheat day. I don't suggest having a cheat day. I suggest having a cheat meal. One meal that is gonna satisfy those cravings. So if you are going to cheat, decide what you will have and also try and stay within those macros and still count and calculate your macros. If you do this, the next day after your cheat meal, you can go back to your same routine. You can see what you did that day, if you went over calories, if you went over your macros, what you did, and you can redeem yourself the very next day. You might as well pick something that will be a little healthier. What I mean by healthier is keto friendly and also something that won't set you back too much. If I decide to have a cheat meal, I will have something that I know is still keto friendly. Chicken wings is the best thing to have when you are considering a cheat meal. For me, it's just like any other cheat meal. It's satisfying and it can take away those cravings. So all you do is order some chicken wings. You can even get buffalo style chicken wings. Just do not get your chicken wings breaded, and also be careful with the sauce. I don't even have the sauce that they make because they add other things into their sauces. If you check out my other videos, I mentioned that a little bit. So they do add extra stuff to their sauce, sugar, carbs, anything that's actually not needed. You can make your own sauce at home and it will be a lot more satisfying. Also, if you do cheat, try and stay within those macros. If I do have a cheat meal, I try and also watch my macros. Even if I go over my calories, that's fine. Going over your calories once for that meal won't affect you, but it's really your macros you want to pay attention to. If you go over your macros and have 70% carbs instead of those 5% carbs, it will set you back a lot. If you have that cheat meal, just have it low carb. Try to stay with that low carb and have that cheat meal. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this because they want to cheat, of course, but there's lots of alternatives to cheating on keto. There is now keto pizza, there's keto cookies, keto cake, keto chocolate. anything that can satisfy that craving, but it still can fit within your macros. If you decide to have that cheat meal and you stay within your macros and don't go overboard, it will be more beneficial for you. If you don't, there are a few things that might happen. So one of the few things is you might get knocked out of ketosis. And if you get knocked out of ketosis, you will experience keto flu symptoms. These symptoms are not fun. It's nausea, headaches, you could experience vomiting, dizziness, sleepiness, constipation. So if you do decide to cheat, keep in mind if any of those things will happen after you cheat. Like I said just before this, if you do cheat, do not have a cheat day, have a cheat meal. Also plan your cheat. If you plan your cheat, then you might not get keto flu symptoms after your cheat. Like I said earlier, I have cheated before on keto and I've experienced these symptoms and they're not fun. My symptoms weren't that bad because I didn't cheat excessively, but I did get tiredness, dizziness. It's not fun. So just plan your cheat like I do. From that point on, I just plan my cheat meal and I make it so it fits within my macros, but maybe not my calories. So in that way, when you're doing that, you will still get the effects you want from that craving, and you will still lose weight the following few days afterwards. When I did a cheat meal on keto, it did not affect me weight-wise, but it can affect you weight-wise if you're not careful. It can stall your weight loss. It can just be a disaster. Like I said, you can get keto symptoms again or for the first time. So when you do, or if you do cheat, plan it. Plan your cheat meal and it will go better than you think. Okay guys, I want to show you this ice cream that I use during my cravings. If I want to have a cheat snack, I make myself some keto ice cream and I will show you guys just how it looks. But in another video, if you want to see the recipe, I can show you guys the recipe. But for now, let me just show you how it looks. Okay guys, I took out the ice cream just before this video just to show you guys, and it's still frozen. So I will still show you guys how it looks, and hopefully next time I can show you in a better video the consistency of it. It's exactly like real ice cream. Okay, so I made a vanilla and a chocolate. It's just in a little container like that. That's the vanilla flavor. And the chocolate. Of course I made more chocolate because that's my favorite flavor, but you can do any size you want. You can make it with anything you want in any kind of container. I chose those containers because that's all I had. But like I said, if you guys want to see this ice cream recipe, let me know down in the comments and I will make it for you in front of the camera so you guys can make it as well. It's great. If you do decide to cheat, have something like that. It's ice cream. You will still be satisfied, but you won't go over your macros or calories because this ice cream is deliciously keto. You can also find keto ice cream in the store. Where I live, I have not been able to find any. I don't want to order any online because I think it's just pointless to do something like that. Other people might think it's different, but to me it is pointless to order keto ice cream online, so I just made my own at home. This is a great substitute, guys. If you feel for ice cream, have these ice creams. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you guys the consistency of that ice cream, but it's very good. It's easy to make too, so if you guys want to try something like that, I will show you guys. Do I think you should cheat on a keto diet? My answer is maybe. I know you wanted a yes or no answer, but it depends on your goals. It depends on how you will be set back from this cheat. Also, like I said, do not have a cheat day. because if you have a cheat day, you might cheat more. It might turn into a cheat week, a cheat month. It depends on the person. I recommend to have a cheat meal. Thanks guys. It's always great to see that you guys are watching, and I will be back tomorrow with a new video. Please like, share, comment on my video, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.